Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to hide followers and following list on Instagram. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and if we want to hide our followers and following list on Instagram, we have to make our account become private. We have to switch from public account to private account. So we need to go to the Instagram setting, just click on your profile and click on those three lines on the top right, and you have to go to the account privacy, and we have to switch from public account to private account. We can click on the toggle button to activate the private account. Then you can click on switch to private. Okay, and now my account has become private account. Then after we activate this private account, someone who doesn't follow us on Instagram cannot see our followers and following list. And I'm going to check it with my another Instagram account. So this Instagram account doesn't follow my first account. I'm going to search for my account, this one, and I'm going to click on the followers and following list. As you can see that the followers and following list have been hidden. If we want to see the followers and following list, we have to follow the account. And when we follow this account, it won't be automatically accepted by the account. We need to request it. And I guess that's how we can hide followers and a following list on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.